Good afternoon, everyone. Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Here is the next class of web technology. In this class, also, I will discuss the remaining basic tags in HTML. Till this, I have discussed 5 points which were basic for making a simple HTML web page. Now, 6th tag is B tag. Here B stands for bold. So this tag is used for highlighting text or making the text bold. Syntax is B on, B close, B off. So B tag is bold. For making the text bold, we use B tag. It's a small text. Seventh, I tag. This tag is used for making the text italic. Yes, if we want to write the text in italic form, we will use I tag. Syntax is I on, I off. Next, U tag. This tag is used for underlining the text. Yes, if we need to underline any text or any statement, we will use U tag. U on, U off. Next, ninth, center tag. This tag is used for making the text in center position. Yes, if we want to make the text, any kind of text or anything in center, we will use center tag. Simple syntax is center on, center off. These are very small tags. Next, 10th, body tag. As I already told, body tag, there is an attribute in body tag, bg color. Here bg color stands for background color. Yes, bg color attribute is used with body color for background color of the web page. Syntax body space bg color is equal to value. So the possible value of color I already have discussed. It can be any color name or hexadecimal values. Yes, study hexadecimal values from my old videos. Possible values for any color can be color name or hexadecimal values. Example. Here is the example including all these small text. HTML on, head on, title off, head off, body, bg color is equal to kyan. Any color name. Next, B tag, I tag, U tag, center, web tag, means it is a data, web tag, center, close. Then it is very important to note down which tag opens first, it will close at the last. As we open HTML first, we on HTML first, but we off HTML first also. Similarly, here we have used BIU center. So center has on in the last, so center will be off in the beginning. So after writing web tag, we will off center tag. Then similarly with opening, we will close the tag. Center tag off, U tag off, I tag off, B tag off. This sequence should be noted down, everyone. Just note down the sequence properly. Then off body tag, HTML tag. Next, 11th tag, adding comments. Yes, in HTML also we can use comment tag. The comment tag is a standalone or empty tag. I already told the meaning of standalone means empty. It's an empty tag which does not contain any data. So the tag is comment tag. It enables us to include messages for our own or anyone else for future references. Comment means comment is a tag which includes the message for us or anyone else for future reference. Syntax is angular bracket, exclamatory mark, dash, comment, dash, angular bracket off. Next, important tag, A tag. Here A stands for anchor tag. Yes, everyone, very important tag it is, anchor tag. So A tag or anchor tag is used for joining or linking two or more web pages with each other. The attribute used with A tag is href attribute. Href stands for hypertext reference. Yes, href means hypertext reference. This attribute tells the URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. I already have discussed. So this attribute tells us the URL location of the next page which have to be joined with previous page. Yes, everyone, anchor tag is used for linking or joining two or more web pages with together. So every time whenever we have to join or link many pages with each other, we will use anchor tag. The syntax is angular bracket on, space, attribute is equal to location of the page name or URL, then text, anchor tag off. Here is the example of this tag: HTML head title, title of, head of, body of. So here is the use of anchor tag. For more information on Angular tag, href is equal to any page name in inverted commas. Click here means for any information, whenever we click here, whenever we will click on the written statement, click here, the second page will open. It will join first page with second page. This was the use of anchor tag for joining one or more pages, two or more pages with each other. Then we will off anchor tag, body tag, HTML tag. So this was it today. Next I will discuss tomorrow. Okay everyone, study till the time. Thank you.